Hey, and welcome to the fourth and the final part of the string method series, which belong to the master JavaScript course. Check other parts in the channel if you haven't yet. Let's uncover the remaining string methods that will round out your expertise. The local compare method compares two strings based on their local, language-specific rules, and return a value indicate their order. The code point at method that return a unique code for a point of value of the character at specific index. To local uppercase and to local lowercase. Those methods are similar to uppercase and lowercase, but they convert the string to uppercase or lowercase based on their local. The search method search for a specific substring or regular expression with a string and return index of the first match. The normalized method used to normalize the unique code string, allow you to convert a different representation of the same character into a single standard form that can be helpful with string comparison, searching, processing. The well-informed method return a string where all lone surrogates of the string replace it with a unique code replacement character. Final method is the add method, is used to access a character at a specific position with a string. At the end, I would like to thank you and say you have expanded your knowledge of JavaScript string methods. If you found this video helpful, remember to give it a thumbs up and stay tuned for more content and subscribe. Happy coding and see you in next one.